In this episode of Sailing Doodles, the dogs set sail. We get surrounded by an absolutely giant pod of dolphins. And we get our new spinnaker. So join us as we sail halfway around the world all the way to Thailand. We start this episode leaving Marina Del Rey with a quick stop in Long Beach and then down to Newport. What do you think, Laura? The dogs are sailors again.
Yeah! Woo!
The dogs are sailing dogs. They're sailing doodles. Here we go. Yeah, he's excited about it. Bye, Marina Del Rey. And we are on our way to Long Beach. Gonna spend a couple nights there and then down to Newport. Let's check out the size of this boat over here. It's crazy. The boat was at least 250 feet long and had its own helicopter. The sailboat behind it was pretty impressive too.
Hey guys! Come on! Over! Yes! Up to the pond! Come here, boys! Yeah! Yeah! Alright, what's this spot? What's this spot?
The wind had been remarkably light for a couple weeks working our way down the west coast, but it made for a good reintroductory sail for the dogs. Alright, welcome to Newport. Yay. We hadn't really planned on being here this early, but they told us they had a slip for us at Long Beach and they didn't, so we're in Newport.
My first trip with the pups.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How you doing, Goose? Maverick. How are you?
Oh boy.
So how do you like Newport?
I like it. I like this whole spot. I bet this is a fun place to be, yeah.
Not a bad place to watch the sunset. What do you think, Maverick? Yeah. We were staying at the Bahia Corinthian Yacht Club. I can't stress enough how friendly and warm and inviting all the members were there. Newport is a pretty big sailing and boating community. Has a ton of yacht clubs and marinas and lots of moorings too. The next day we had some friends over for a little sunset cruise. Well guys, thanks for coming out. Thanks for bringing the burgers.
Yeah.
My friends Jody and John, well, Jody from Dallas, I guess you live in LA though, right? Oh, I'm sorry, I caught her mouthful. But a nice little sunset cruise.
Beautiful sunset.
Yeah.
Hi, everybody.
Hey.
Well, we can't forget the puppy dogs down here.
We got one over here. Right here.
That evening we had a meet and greet with our local viewers. It really is fun getting to put names and faces together of our patrons and viewers as we head down the coast. Hey, cheers guys! Cheers! Thanks for coming out! After Newport, it was a quick sail down to Dana Point. We anchored out there, so it was time to put the dinghy in the water for the first time.
It's like a whole other sail.
All right, well, we got the dinghy down. I didn't realize this thing had a lock on it. I hope I have the key. I have no idea if we have the key to this or not. I did find the key, and the pups took back to the dinghy life without skipping a beat. All right, we made it to Dana Point. Here we are, and just so happens a couple of our viewers are here, Thad and Bert, and Thad's actually going to sail with us for quite a long time. So, you looking forward to that?
I am definitely looking forward to that.
Hey, you're going to be on it for like about 2 months total or something, maybe?
Yeah, 2 months, maybe longer.
Yeah, maybe longer.
We'll see.
So yeah.
Cheers to that.
Yeah, cheers to that.
to that.
There you go.
Cheers, Thaddeus. Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. Who knows? Maybe Bertmeister will fly down to Tahiti.
Yeah.
You never know. There you go.
Absolutely.
All right, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for coming out. I'm glad you got to see the boat
Thanks
before
for
you
having
get
us on,
a
yeah.
sneak peek before you get on it.
Yeah,
So.
absolutely. Good to
All
meet
right.
you guys.
Cool. That evening, our patron Steve took us around for the Christmas lights.
There's the Christmas lights. So good. All right, who wants to climb a tree?
Oh,
You take that one. I'll take that one.
Oh yeah.
there is pole dancing.
Oh yeah.
And a whale's mouth.
And it whales out. All right. After Dana Point, it was down to San Diego. What's going on?
Sailing.
You okay, buddy? Okay.
Here, boy, come on my side. There you go.
So we finally got a really good day of wind. It's beam. It's about 9. Apparent wind's about 90 degrees off the port side there. We're doing 8 knots on the sails, cooking right along all the way. It really was a great day for sailing, and the pups looked like they were having a good time. Just before dusk, the wind dropped off, but we were greeted by an absolutely giant pod of dolphins. It was really neat because of how clear and calm the water was. You could see the dolphins underwater really easy.
Maverick, what time is it? Crop pot time. Yeah. Sniff them out, boy. Sniff them out.
We're turning, we just put the sails down and we're turning into San Diego. Son of a gun, man. There are just 18,000 crab pots out. I mean, trying to come in here at night. I mean, it's just like a crab pot every 10 feet. I don't know, I don't even know how to put them so dense. Anyway, so there's all the crab pots and there's these giant kelp beds. Man, coming in here at night would be a horrible idea unless you go way around, I don't know. But, hey, we're almost to San Diego anyway, so it's been a good little sail. Had some good wind early on, then it kind of really slacked off, but we're doing all right. Almost there. Nice little sunset for it anyway, right? Be just in time for sundowners. It was easy to tell San Diego is a military town.
thought. I think I need a helicopter.
All right, so what's in the box?
We got our new spinnaker.
Spinnaker.
Yeah!
So a few weeks ago we ordered a new spinnaker from Precision Sales. Thanks guys, and we're actually ordering a new mainsail and a main bag, sail bag. So, but we're gonna pull it out today and put it in the sock and see how it looks.
Oh my gosh! I'm so excited for this. Look how pretty it is. Oh. I would say that's an upgrade. Really pretty. This is really awesome. Oh my gosh. I want a bikini to match that. For real.
All right. That is the head of the sail, this portion right here, which is labeled head, right? So that's the top of the sail. And then down here, I believe it says tack. All right, so the tack is the portion, it's like the forward bottom part of the sail. And then the clue is back under there. And that is the back part where you attach your spinnaker lines, right? So we have a sock from the old,
yeah.
It's a little wet. I think we should let it.
It looks like a parachute!
Oh, don't step on the sail.
It looks like a parachute!
Yeah, well. All right,
Can we repurpose that?
no, this is the sock. This is what that goes in.
What?
That sail goes in this, but it's a little wet, so we're gonna dry it out on the dock.
Ooh. Oh. Interesting.
So the sail, the head goes all the way up in this part of the sock, and it covers the rest of the sail. So what happens is, when you raise the sail, it's inside this sock. And there's these lines here that attach to this block right here, right? And so when you pull on that, it starts raising the sock. And the sock will go up all the way to the top, and then the sail can come out.
Okay.
Now then, when you want to put the sail down, you release either the tack or the clue, which is the 2 points, one to hold the bottom together, down, right? Most time, if you can, you release the tack. And then you pull the sock back down over the sail. There you go.
Now you see me, now you don't.
Right, exactly. But this thing has been in our forward hold for a while. It's a little
Years. Not
smelly and
used.
damp, so we're gonna let it air out a little on the dock. Okay, so we had the sock laying out on the deck for a while to get kind of dried out. Everything's been stuffed down in the hole for so long. So now we are going to stuff the sock with the sail. So this is the head of the sail. Then you got, I think the tack is that end, the clues at this end. So basically we just gotta put the head all the way to the top of the sock. I've never done it before. It'll be all right. Now we've got the sock stuffed. Let's put it in this sail bag, and well, looking forward to the first time we get to use it.
Oh yeah, it's pretty.
So with our work done for the day, it's time to relax and take the pups for a walk. Well, thank you for watching another episode. Please click like and subscribe. It really does help with the ratings. And as always, this channel is funded by viewers like you. Check out sailingdoodles.com to find out how you can become a patron.